Actually looking for the pyramid sauce. Oh my gosh. Naka-white ako. Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be my 12/12 haul. So if you wanna know what I got, then please keep on watching. Good morning friends! So it's around 9 o'clock in the morning. So I'm filming this nang medyo groggy pa yung voice ko. But I'll try my best to make this fun as possible. So today I'll be sharing with you guys my 12/12 Shopee haul. The first item that I got during the 12/12 sale is this knitted vest. I've been looking for a knitted vest for a very long time. I love this one kasi makapal siya, medyo crop siya. Looks like this. I think the seller has different options pa like green, maroon, beige, mustard. So aalisin ko muna to ulit kasi mainit. The next item that I got is a silk pajama. Meron ako nito but this isn't for me. This is for my boyfriend. Already disinfected this a lot of times and this one naman nalabhan na. Terno kami kasi I already have this pero shorts and this one talagang long pajama. There. Hindi nakalagay sa Shopee, women's silk pajama, but tinry namin yung pajama ko. Okay naman daw for him. One size bigger na lang yung in-order ko for him. I got this for him kasi kumachi kami. And my dog also has this kind of pajama, so para kunwari happy family. And the next item that I got is this vanilla syrup from Starbucks. Again, I'm making iced coffee at home. Yung nabunot ko sa Christmas party, so yung kanyang wishlist. Pretty sure that when the time I upload this, siguro naman nag-open na kami ng gift. Hi April, ikaw yung nabunot ko. Sticky siya. Wait lang. I got her vanilla and also hazelnut syrup and I got myself a vanilla syrup. For this is good. It's really cheap compared to Torani syrup and plastic lang siya kahit nabitbitin ko anywhere kasi hindi siya ganun. And the next item that I got is this slipper. Isa nabalot ko na. This is the gray one and this is the pink one. This is for my boyfriend. Matchy na naman kami. Most of my bedroom slippers and also outside slippers, donate ko na. Kung may bagyo affecting Cagayan, I bought myself another one as a present. So far, so good naman kasi comfy siya and fluffy and also soft. I think this is really a good buy. Next item that I got is this 50-piece light candles. Well, I got actually 2 pero yung isa bukas na. I think this is really great for those people na nakakatulugan yung jar candles or yung scented candles nila. This only lasts for an hour. Medyo magastos if ever lagi mo siyang gagamitin. Suggest this one kapag talagang gusto mo for a very short period of time lang. And I got my boyfriend this one kasi lagi niya nakakatulugan talaga yung binibigay kong scented candle. He doesn't have to worry about his candle anymore kung napatay ba niya or hindi. However, yun nga lang, kailangan mong bumili ng burner. Also, an oil. The next item that I got is this wallet. Maganda siya kasi marami siyang lalagyan. Very convenient siya. Don't have to open your wallet para makuha yung cards nyo. Para hindi ka na ma-hassle kakabukas. Pwede mo na agad siyang kunin from here. I saw this on Ray Hermar's IG story. It's nice naman. However, I really don't like this kind of texture. Caviar yata yung parang gantong leather. Gusto ko talaga lambskin. Anyway, still since I bought this wallet for my convenience, para nga nandito lang sa labas yung mga cards, nagagawa pa rin niya yung purpose. And the next item that I got from Shopee is this glasses. I already used this, pero wala pa tong grade. Try ko nang naka-contacts ako, but it looks like this. It looks super classy because it's gold and it's oversized. I really like those glasses or shades na oversized. Papalagyan ko to ng grado later. Parang feeling ko very brainy ako dito. And the next item that I got from Shopee is this long handle cleaner. Para sa mga tumblers nyo na hindi kasya yung kamay nyo, para malinisan yung tumblers nyo. Frankly, I haven't used this yet, so I'm not sure if this is as effective as I can imagine. Looks like this, and talagang hinanap ko yung medyo haba na cleaner para sa mga tumblers ko na tatangkat. Oh, and another item that I bought from Shopee is this tie-dye biker shorts. Na-open ko na to and na-try ko na rin. This is what it looks like and high-waisted siya. This is really stretchable. Kasya siya sa akin kahit na malaki yung legs ko. However, malaki yung balakang ko and also my butt. So, naririnig ko siyang medyo natatas-taas talaga. At pagdating ng waist, okay na siya. Really cute and really affordable. And the next item that I got is this. I actually saw this sa mall. They sell it for 250 to 300. Sabi ko, isa-shopee ko na lang yan and I'm just gonna wait for the 12/12. They actually have a lot of different colors. Pink, green, maroon. It looks like this. Hindi siya yung parang ordinary face shields na tumingin ako sa baba. Bababa din yun. Kasi nga, lumuluwag siya over time. It's really nice kasi hindi siya nalalaglag sa mukha ko. Unlike the ordinary face shields na plastic lang tapos nayuyupi. There. Pwede ko rin siya ilagay dito kapag di ko na ginagamit. Matibay talaga siya. It covers your whole face and at the same time, still have an allowance here. So, okay pa rin siya. Super nice. And the next item that I got is this tripod. Well, maliit lang siyang tripod and it's only for your phone. This is not for me, this is for my brother. I really hope that he will like this. Looks like this, and then this is the phone holder. You'll just connect this here. Hindi lang ganito yung height niya. Still adjust this. Meron pa pala yan. So, and again from the same shop, I also got 2 of this. I got them black, then gold yung nasid nila. But I won't recommend the shop kasi dalawa yung binili ko nito, but I only got 1. I bought 2, pero 3 naman yung dumating. Medyo sabaw sila sa quantity. The idea, I will still recommend phone stands as gifts. Sa shop, ibang shop na lang. Refund naman nila sa akin. So, and the next item that I got is this Jeju Aloe Eyes Hair Mist. Not sure if by this time na-upload ko na yung Watson's Haul, but I also bought some stuff from them, from Jeju Aloe Eyes. This really disappoints me. As in, takip nito, hindi kasha para sa bottle na to. Hindi nang nalalabas niyang mist. Ano mo siya i-press ng i-press ng i-press ng i-press. Gusto mo yung tamang amount naman. That is as to the packaging. I'm not sure yet kung kamusta yung application nito sa hair. And the next item that I got, this reusable silicone mask. I've been looking for this sa Instagram, but finally, naalala ko siyang bilhin during 12/12 sale. Comes with 10 washable filters. You can just wash this for a lot of time. Also this one. Of course, mas gusto ko pa rin naman yung surgical masks, but I'm still looking for an alternative, and this is really nice. Wala pa tong filter Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Sure if you can see guys, but very secured siya. Makakahinga ka, and at the same time secured kasi hindi pa rin siya open space, and you can adjust the straps at least, diba? Anyway, this is another buy. Naghanap ako ng mas sturdy pa than this one. Talagang stand lang siya pang display ng iPad mo or ng phone mo kasi hindi siya na-adjust. So, ganito lang talaga yung kanyang angle. And then the next item that I got is this perfume bottles. Meron naman akong binili, actually 5 or 6 yata yung binili ko. They have different colors like purple, pink, and they also have an option gusto mo matte or glossy. I still opted the matte para hindi siya gasgasin. Very nice idea for your gifts. And the next items that I got are these seamless panties. Sobrang dami. Hindi naman, pero 5. Super nice kasi nga seamless siya. Hindi naman ako maarte sa underwear. Pero nabudol ako nito ni Sia. Just the idea, but not from the same shop where she got her seamless panties. Super nice nito, lalo na sa mga leggings or shorts na medyo manipis yung tela para hindi bakat yung panty mo, diba? This is really affordable. As in, same lang naman sila ng quality nung mga nakikita kong tig 300 plus. So, and the next item that I got is this nipple tape. 2 pair yung binili ko. This is the other one. Magkabilaan na siya. Kasi nawala ko yung case. This is really convenient, especially now na nasa bahay lang tayo. Helpful sa mga tubes, crop tops, and stuff like that if ayaw mong mahassle. Actually had the idea of buying nipple tape through Tony Sia kasi meron siyang ni-recommend na easy peasy, but I can't find one sa Shopee. I don't want to shop sa Lazada. I just bought this as an alternative, and so far so good. Ilang beses ko na to nagamit. Madikit pa rin talaga siya. Torani syrup. Finally, nakuha ko na yung gusto ko talaga. 11/11 vlog. Sabi ko doon yung caramel syrup. Hindi talaga yun yung gusto ko. I was actually looking for the pyramid sauce. Oh my gosh. Naka-white ako. Tumapon siya. This is really affordable compared dun sa may pump and also dun sa bottle na mas malaki. This is 468 grams. I don't know how to convert that sa ml. Yung size basis niya, parang ganyan. It's cheaper to kasi nga hindi glass bottle. Plastic lang siya. Binutas ko lang to actually. OMG! Ang tanga ko. Na-open pala siya. Tapos, binutas ko. Ang galing. Gosh, guys. Anyway, let's move on. And then the last item that I got, Asian Spa Essentials Pain Relief Rub, scent Sleep or scent ba tawag, but in lavender or in violet color. I bought the healing oil and also the pain relief rub. I tried this last night. Mas matibay pa rin talaga yung kating ko. Sa totoo lang yung menthol. Mas gusto ko kasi mas malamig talaga. Mabango siya. Relaxing yung amoy niya. Recommending this as well. 3 lang naman yata yung inaantay kung hindi pa dumadating na binili ko during the 12/12 sale. So I will just share with you guys the photos of these items. This garden tool set. This is actually a gift for my mom. So actually, andun siya sa labas. Baka marinig niya. And also this stainless spoon na merong clip. At least yung coffee bean secured pa rin siya, and also meron ng scoop para di ka mahassle. And also this 10 ml and also 5 ml roller bottles. This is for my healing oils, essential oil.
Friends, and another purchase that I forgot to include earlier is this insulated mug. I don't like it just because of the font. The photo that I saw on Shopee was actually deceiving. Malaki yung font na nakalagay doon compared to this one. Sobrang nipis ng font. Angat pa ng onti yung sticker if you can see. Another item that I also forgot to include is this one. This is grapeseed oil, and I bought this so I can mix and blend my Young Living oil.
So that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, and also hit this notification bell so you guys get notified whenever I upload a new vlog. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm hoping to see you in the next vlogs.